Well, hello and welcome from Porthcawl. I'm on Porthcawl Seafront to be precise. Well, in previous videos, myself and Mel have walked along the seafront up to the beach at Rest Bay. We've also taken the trip on the Cymru coaster, that's the open top bus, and most recently on Lucy the road train. But I think today, the day's going to be the best trip yet. Why? Well, just take a look at this. It's the Porthcawl Joy-riders. So as you can see, when I said Joyriders, I didn't mean going for a ride in a stolen Ford Fiesta. I meant going for a ride on a Trishaw with my friendly driver, Kathleen. I'll tell you more about the charity, the Porthcawl Joy-riders, shortly. But first, let's go for a ride. By the way, are you a driver or a cyclist?
What's pilots, actually?
A pilot? They're pilots.
Because we took
Yeah, does that bode well for our trip? I think it's time to get going. We're just waiting for Mel at the moment. Mel's coming with us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This is nice.
Are you enjoying it, Mel?
I am enjoying it already.
Very civilized.
Give us a wave.
This is lovely.
It's very smooth, isn't it, Mel?
Very smooth. Very smooth indeed. It's nice and sheltered with this little hood. So, is it a local charity?
Yeah, Porthcawl Joy-riders are, but they're part of a larger Cycling Without Age initiative.
Okay.
And it's run by volunteers. By the way, I heard something today. They're not called cyclists or drivers. They're called pilots.
Oh. And very fit pilots too.
Very fit. Oh, we've got some hills coming up, Mel. We've got some hills. By the way, it is electric powered. Oh, electric assist, not electric powered. So I still feel guilty about being driven up this hill coming up. This is the steep one.
I bet you wish you didn't have that extra poppadom and the extra...
Well, I bet Kathleen wished I didn't have the extra
Yeah,
poppadom and
that's what I mean.
extra bargee. And now we're picking up speed going down.
It's quite like a thrill ride.
Okay. You know, horn, Mel?
Yeah, it was good.
I don't think you heard us.
No, I don't.
I could get used to this. Just employ somebody for every day around Porthcawl.
I'm doing it for you.
So we're now coming up to Rest Bay. I think we'll stop here and let Kathleen get her breath back.
Yes.
And we're giving Kathleen a rest.
Big hill.
I didn't realise how big that hill was.
Yeah, and unfortunately the battery doesn't do it all for me.
Yeah, I said it on the way up. It was electric. It's electric assist, not all electric.
Yeah.
So basically, the charity Porthcawl Joy-riders. How do people get in touch with you?
So we've got a website, and there's email and phone numbers, which I'm sure you'll put in the information.
Yeah.
Steve is the kind of main person to get in touch with. He coordinates both volunteers and then sends people to the right direction if they want to, actually take part.
And who's it for? Like, who can have a ride?
So
it's free, isn't it? It's free.
It is free. Yes, it's free. So it's basically aimed at older people or people with less mobility who perhaps can't get out and go along the prom themselves. We work a lot with the care homes and nursing homes around Porthcawl. People do have to have a certain level of mobility because they have to be able to stand up, take their own weight to be able to sit into Cariad. But
so at the moment you've only got the one Trishaw?
yeah, we've just got one at the moment, but we're trying to fundraise for another one. Because there's quite a big demand for it really, but it's getting the funds for a second one, and then also getting the volunteers and people to actually get out there and ride and do all the other jobs that need doing for it.
Oh right, so people can donate to you via co-op, can't they?
Yeah, so they're co-op points, and they can donate those to Porthcawl Joy-riders. We've also at the moment for the month of April we've got the blue tokens in Tesco, in the local Tesco's. They're being donated to us. And then we've got Just Giving and also Easy Fundraising are other ways that people can contribute.
Okay, that's great.
So Mel's donated on a co-op app on the community section.
Yeah, on the community section.
So
£6.46, but that's at no cost to me.
yeah,
So if you've got a co-op card, and especially if you've got the co-op app, you can donate from the community section there. You choose who you want to donate to, the local charities.
Look at the weather. The forecast said it was going to be sunny today, but look at it. I like to moan about the weather in my videos. Anyway, I think it's time to go back. Mel's ready. Look at her. Why were you asking about volunteering? Are you thinking of volunteering?
Well, I won't rule it out.
I can't remember you riding a bike, to be honest.
What do you mean?
We need volunteers for other things as well. It's
Yeah.
not just the riding, because
Yeah.
we've got all the media stuff and things like that
Oh, okay.
needs to happen, and we're always looking for somebody to do like publicity and
promotions.
fundraising and all that sort of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
So there's lots of jobs.
Anyway, I think it's time to go for a ride back. And I was saying the sun's coming out.
Yay.
I was saying how grim it looked over there. Anyway, let's get back
Okay.
on the Trishaw. Come on, Kathleen, get pedalling. Come on. Like Ben Hur. Or Mad Max. Skillful driving there to get through the bollards.
Like a clown horn. It's a job.
Got hitchhikers.
I don't go as fast as this with you.
Okay.
Oh, I bet you do. I bet you do. The sun's coming out. Look at it.
I did have a sunglasses.
I keep forgetting there's somebody actually pedalling behind me. I think it's time to put the sunglasses on. The sun's coming out, so I can cruise down the prom looking cool. Prince Charles can use this for the coronation. That'd be more environmentally friendly, wouldn't it? Oh, the wind's picked up. Unfortunately, we're getting to the end of our trip, Mel.
Oh, no.
You don't want it to end, do you?
I don't.
No.
Hey.
That's it.
Oh,
Thanks.
that's
We've
good.
made it.
Do you want me to keep going?
No, that's it. You can stop here. So that was our ride on Cariad the Trishaw, run by the Porthcawl Joy-riders with our excellent driver, or should I say pilot, Kathleen. And as mentioned, I'll put all the details of how you can donate or use the Trishaw in the description below. So until next time, that's a bye for myself and Mel. Mel, give us a wave. Bye. Bye.